is the hair. Oh my gosh, I look cute.
Bati Bululu.
Hello, Liesjdeluxe here, or what not, back again with another video. So today's vlog is kind of everything. I'm just gonna take you guys with me. I got a package from Fenty Beauty, so I'm gonna show you guys that in a minute. Then I'm gonna show you guys basically how I'm gonna change up the second room in here into YouTube filming beauty room. So I'm gonna show you guys the before, and then in a couple of weeks I'm gonna show you guys the after, because it's gonna take a little bit more of time because some things I'm gonna order on AliExpress. But as I said, that will be for a separate video, but I'm gonna show you guys how it looks today. And then I'm gonna go to my mom's because she made fumboy, and I was like, girl, I'm coming. But yeah, first let me get that Fenty. So I ordered the 3 skincare products from Fenty Skin. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is the Hyper Clean Soft Skin Without Stripping of Drying Daily Cleanser and Makeup Remover in one. By the way, all the things that orders are like 2 things in one. So this is basically a cleanser and a makeup removal. I wanted to open up the whole thing, but basically it's like a little thing that you like open like this, and that's just enough to make it, to squeeze it basically. I don't really like a sense of something, and this already is giving me like, it's giving me like a little bit of a perfume, so I don't really know how it's gonna turn out. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys is this Fenty Skin Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum. So basically what does it do? It instantly refines the look of pores, reduces the look of dark spots. What? I didn't know that. It reduces the look of dark spots, even skin tone, and fights shine without stripping skin. Directions: use day and night on clean skin. Apply over face with fingers for external use only. Let us smell. I don't really like the smell. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know how to explain what the smell is, but I don't really like the smell. The next thing that I got is a Heat Dry Visor Invisible Moisturizer SPF 30. It comes in a box like this, and basically you get a pump where you put whatever is in this and then put it in like this. Today was actually the first time that I've used it. I used it before I put on my makeup. This video is really not about me getting too hard into the details, but it's just me showing you guys what I've got from Fenty Skin. And basically I got everything. It was $75, and in euros it's like 63 euros for the 3 products that are basically 6. I'm gonna use it for 15 days, so the 20th of September I'm gonna give y'all a review. I think I'm gonna post it like a little bit later. I'm gonna try to do 2 times a day, like night and day, but I'm definitely gonna do it daily. Before I go to mommy, I'm gonna show you guys the room. It's a big mess. I have filmed here, yeah, I filmed here 3 videos while I was in quarantine, and Babe wasn't really using this because this was basically his studio. Now he owns a studio outside of the house, which makes it much more quiet in the house, which I like. So I'm gonna change the color. I am going to buy white paint. If you walk in, basically this is the area. Like I said, it's a mess. It was also, we had a mattress just for whenever my brother-in-law wants to come and sleep over. So this will be gone. My ring light and my camera stand. What I actually want to do is put a desk over here and have there like a sitting area, and I probably will put a mirror over here just so I can take pictures and the sunlight can come in. Basically I'm gonna clean up the house real quick, and then I am going to my mommy's. Oh, by the way, my outfit for today: Zara jeans with my white Air Forces, and this top is also from Zara. Okay, so I just came outside running and I just realized I don't have my wallet with me. that's why my bag was feeling so damn empty. And I also didn't glue down my wig, so if you see my wig somewhere on the floor, just leave it there. So I changed outfits. Oh my god, Zara needs to make those same pants in black. Like, please look, I have a bum in this. I always tell you guys this, I don't have a bum. So they need to make these jeans in black. So I didn't tell my sister that I'm vlogging, so they'll probably without their wig now. Let's see. Moeder! Je voulais que toi tu fais le foufou.
Jullie match is er nog niet echt. Dus wel je kan niet.
What's up, sis? Mais je t'ai pas encore dit. Non, na yebisi déjà batinanga na YouTube ke. Ah bon? Kitoko? Ah, komendelo? Eh, biga la komi wa mutuko, muta perike. Ah, na la ta perike te. Na perike. On est à l'aise, hein? The last time I ate fufu was last year. So basically, mom made some fish for me, but since my sis thought it was for her, I'm over here eating chicken. Well, I came here to eat mama's fish. Bakoli Afrique, toujours Bakoli Afrique. Wake up. Okay, so I rewatch the 100th season 2 episode 8 when Finn died. Hey guys, came back home. I went to the Action and the Action didn't have any kind of paint, which bothered me a lot because I was like, what am I gonna do now? I went to Action to get some paint and there was absolutely no paint. I bought a plastic cover sheet basically to cover up the floor so nothing spills on the floor. I bought a painting set. I think this is enough since I am a rookie, an amateur. It should be enough. And then I bought masking tape for like the doors and the ceiling. By the way, I am waist training again. Okay, I have 5 minutes to get out of the house. I have a feeling that my hair doesn't look right. Oh, by the way, outfit of the day. A white Zara shirt with my Nike t-shirt, with my Zara jeans, and my white Air Force. Those are my first Air Forces ever because I don't really like sneakers. I don't know if y'all know this, but I don't really like sneakers. And I used to be like a big Adidas fan, but lately I've been buying, you know, some Nike. But yeah. Anywho, let's go.
Dus als je een pak wilt bijvoorbeeld.
Waarom heb je haar laten groeien?
Corona. Kijk. Nee, maar jullie gebruiken corona voor alles. Ik ben gewoon gekwetst door jullie gedrag, door jullie wangedrag, van de regels niet te respecteren. Terwijl die regels super makkelijk zijn. 1 keer per maand maak je 1 avond vrij. Eerlijk, is dat moeilijk?
Maar ik weet dat daarbij niet altijd tijd kunnen hebben.
wat aansta. Ik ben jullie host voor deze avond, als ook co-founder van Revelation zelf. Dames en heren, dit is Ornelli Manzambi van...
Hi everyone. So my name is Ornelli Manzambi, better known as Liesj. Tonight I'm going to show y'all my collection called Fugu.
Oh.
And this collection is dedicated to you. Black people, every person is proud to be black and every person is proud of their roots. So enjoy the show though.
Oh, woo!
My name is Alex, also known as X-Ray. What you're going to be seeing here is X-Ray Art Studios. Painting will be a way for me to like use colors or whatsoever, you know, and doing that on clothes was very fun. So I actually experiment in different ways.
I'm alone in a box of stone. This is a place I don't belong. So I hope. I'm sorry for the dark into the train. That decision is mine. That decision.
Dat is het probleem. Nooit serieus.
L'équipe bien, événement l'équipe bien, donc tout Cruise Art Festival, donc t'as la kaka, petit nanga Desi, je l'aime, bon félicitations à Bino, franchement l'équipe kitoko makasi. Bon, l'organisation Ezaki moi mon boulot à cause de Corona, mon boulot parce que Ezaki n'a parti mi balé. Donc Dengeza wana merci, na comme nanga kisema, veut dire que non, na pesi moti à Rabat, Jerry Caps, Jokes Bass, Janelle, voilà. Mobalia.
Wat die Anis wil praten.
Waar is die broer?
Mijn broer. Ja, donc, ma peine en salade. Donc, peut dire que, oh, je t'aime.
Oh, c'est bien que tu m'aimes. Dus jij trakteert mij? As you could have seen, the fashion show went well. Because we went into the second wave. Not all fashion designers were available for the second one because I think they didn't know that much people would come. So yeah, it was nice. I went for by Lotus Noir. Okay, I went for her, so I'm glad that I have seen her at least. And there was one model. Oh my gosh, I swear they all were beautiful. I liked the way they were vibing, but there's that one was just a 10 out of 10 for everything. But yeah, I'm gonna continue eating. I'm eating a salad.
Oh.
With chicken and water with lemon. Is there a problem? Is there a problem?
Lord Almighty, I praise your name.
Okay, I'm eating a burger. I'm eating a burger. With some fries. What's up, guys?
Like a dungeon dragon, like a dungeon dragon. Like a dungeon dragon, like a dungeon dragon, like a dungeon dragon.
So basically we came and witness house.
Deze broek, ik kan dat nooit alleen dicht doen.
Vous êtes photo? Ouais. Opération Montboué.
Wesh, mais cette fille elle en
certified week. 7 times a week.
Wet as make that.
Waarom moet je
Weak. Because it's YouTube now.
Don't we say
censoring?
We don't say so. A little bit of information. Het is code rood in the Netherlands. But we are going. So ik heb wel kort zijn bisoté. Toch je maar ook gaan op de grens.
Maar je mag gewoon niet langer dan 48 uur blijven. Anders zie je quarantaine.
Ik ga eruit met Arno. Ik ga eruit. Ik kan niet liegen. Oh.
I don't understand. But because if you start like this, get out.
Ik moet iets eten, ik wil echt KFC.
Wat wil je nu? Langs de KFC?
Maar ik ben echt even deadass nu. Dus er is geen KFC onderweg.
Waarschijnlijk wel, Lisa, ergens.
Maar ik wil echt...
Oké, maar jij wilt. Je ne pense plus à lui. I've been drinking, baby, I want you. No. With your name. Talking love. We'll be all night. Talking love.
I look cute, No, you actually don't, because I do.
Bon, nous on est arrivés, vous. Meisjes, we zijn op de... Wauw, oké, ik ga jullie niet volgen.
I'm really wondering if we should put on our mouth masks. I cannot skate now. We will fall today. Ons allons.
Shit!
Ik kan niet liegen, je kiffe le fait que...
Nee, hier, ja pas. Nee.
Het is ook corona. Oh, Sarah! Hey, Sarah, Betty Bisoko? We actually did an activity together that's not eating.
What are we gonna eat?
Macarena. Now we're gonna do what we always do.
Eat!
Merci beaucoup pour la réponse. Okay, we're gonna go eat, girls. We're gonna go eat.
Because I have talking everywhere, so I need some food.
Talking? Where's talking?
Talking is akotoka.
I'm not gonna lie, the Netherlands and masks, they're not going together. Kijk, het is echt... Zie je hoe dat ik cute ben en jij ook gangster doen?
Dus allemaal frikkie-tikkie?
Nee.
Wacht dan. Whisky.
Who's ass you gonna be?
Goed, dat zij zegt. Begin al te roeren voordat je vraagt, is dat lekker?
It's freaky leaky. It's for the leak, for the Liesj.
I don't know which was the last time I got a cocktail, but let's try it out.
Damn.
Ooh. Little bit strawberry. It's actually really, yeah, definitely. Fallait pas vacciner alcool.
Ah, c'est comme ça, maman. Pourquoi j'ai utilisé comme ça? Nous, on a d'abord.
Smaken lekker. The cocktail was absolutely great and freaky ticky.
Freaky ticky. It was freaky leaky.
No, we just came to Whitney's brother-in-law. We're gonna drink some, then we're gonna go back home.
Hey, non.
Lauriane.
Non. Lauriane, je ne parle même pas avec toi. Oké, lef die blokkadie. Hij ging van 3 naar 2 naar 3 naar 2. Zonder grappen.
Oké, kijk. Je man is...
Hij blokkeerde echt van 3 naar 2.
C'est pas grave. Ton bimite.
C'est pas grave.
Hey, anywho, hope you enjoyed the vlog. I hope to see you in one of my next ones. Make sure you're subscribed, like, and share. Bye.